Your immune system acts like a vigilant security guard, constantly searching for foreign invaders like bacteria and dangerous viruses. Vaccines safely train this defense force by introducing some weak-ass or harmless pieces of the pathogen without making you sick. Inside your body, immune cells called dendritic cells display the vaccine harmless antigen. Helper T cells recognize that shit and rally B cells, which straight up instantly multiply and flood your bloodstream with. Once the fake threat clears, a specialized squad of memory B and T cells remains on guard for decades. If the real virus ever invades, these goated cells neutralize it before you get sick. When the real virus strikes years later, your trained memory cells recognize it instantly and trigger a massive rapid counterattack. Like targeted antibodies neutralize the invaders before they can multiply, giving you full protection without ever getting sick.